What's up, programmer? In this video, I'm going to explain the return statements in C++. Now, as you may have noticed, sometimes you have a line of code that says return 0 at the end of the main function. Additionally, majority of the times that you run your program, you may also see a statement that says exited with code 0. Now, what this all means is that generally, functions in the program and the program itself as well will create assessments and calculations, and then they will return their results. Oftentimes, you will see a return statement which returns a value at the end of a function because they return the result of what happens in that particular function. In functions that you create yourself in C++, sometimes you want to return a value, like an integer or a float. In that case, for example, you could return the value itself, or you could return a variable name that matches the variable type that you want to return. It really depends on your function and what to return. All the variable types can be returned, such as integer, float, strings, and booleans. Now, in your main function, sometimes you might see a return 0 at the end of your function. The return 0 in the main function is called the exit status. The exit status will let us know if the program ran without any sort of problems, which will return 0, or if the program did run into some problems, it will return another value that is not 0. Usually, if you don't see a 0, that means that your program has some sort of error that you need to go over and fix. Another thing I want to mention about the exit status is that for C++, it is up to you whether or not you want to include it, because the compiler you are using will add the return 0 to the end of the main function. This is why you will sometimes see it in the main functions and other times you will not. It just depends on if you add it yourself and if other programmers added it. And just like before, if you don't see a 0 being returned in the console, that means your program ran into some errors, so you want to double check your program. Comment down below if you found this video helpful or you have any questions you want to ask. Additionally, if you are going to be returning many different values in your program, you want to also understand operator precedence, because operator precedence will show you how certain math calculations will be calculated first before others. I will demonstrate that in this video, so you want to go watch that video next. Anyways, this is Easy Syntax, showing you programming made easy. Thank you for watching.